Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn class 10, The Girl Who Was Annie Frank's important question and answers. And these questions are taken from previous year board exam question papers and some of the important questions which are likely to come in upcoming examinations. So it's my suggestion for you all to watch the video till end and do not miss any of the questions and hit the like button if you like it. And do not forget to subscribe the channel so that you get the all the notices and notifications of important videos which are uploaded in this channel, and also share with your friends so that even they can take the benefit of these videos. So under this video we are going to see three different categories of question answers, that is 1 mark, 2 marks and 3 marks of this chapter. And this is important because most of the questions and most of the question papers had the questions from this chapter, so be careful while watching the question answers. So under 1 mark questions, we have first question: what was Annie's father? Answer: Anna's father, Otto Frank, was a banker living in Germany. Next, second question: what qualities of Mr. Frank did his staff admire? Answer: Mr. Frank's staff admired him for his warm personality. They admired his courage and the evident care he took to give his two girls a good education. Okay, coming to 2 mark question category. First one: how does a close friend describe Annie when she saw her at a Belsen camp? Answer: later in autumn, Annie and her sister were transported to Belsen, another camp between Berlin and Hamburg. She was old, hungry, her head shaved, and her almost skeleton body dressed in the coarse, shapeless, stripped garb of the concentration camp. She was pitifully weak, her body racked by typhoid fever. She died early in March 1945, a few days after Margot. Okay. Next question. What does Annie diary reveal about her father and her mother? Answer: her diary reveals the trust she puts in a wise father and also reveals her grief because she feels that her mother does not understand her. These thoughts are penned in her diary. Next question. Why does the writer call an Annie a courageous leader? Answer: Annie proved to be a courageous leader of her small Auschwitz group. When there was nothing to eat, she dared to go to the kitchen to ask for food. She constantly told Margot never to give in. Okay, so let's move on to the next category, 3 marks questions. And most of the questions are of the categories of 3 and 4 marks in the most question papers. So be a little attentive here. First question here: describe Anne's life in the annex as written by her. Answer: she described life in the annex with all its inevitable tensions and quarrels. But she created first and foremost a wonderfully delicate record of adolescence, sketching with complete honesty a young girl's thoughts and feelings, her longing and loneliness. She felt like a songbird whose wings had been brutally torn out and who was flying in utter darkness against the bars of its own cage. She wrote this when she had been isolated from the outside world for nearly 16 months. Okay, next question. How did the young students of Germany pay homage to Anne Frank? Answer: in West Berlin, an Anne Frank home was opened devoted to social work for young people. The people of Berlin chose her name for Anne Frank home because she symbolized the spirit of racial and social tolerance. Elsewhere in Germany, an organization was set up named after her to combat remaining vestiges of anti Semitism. In Vienna, money was collected for Anne Frank forest to be planted in Israel. In March 1957, a Hamburg student suggested that flowers should be laid on the mass graves in Bergen-Belsen, where Anne Frank had found her last resting place. Okay. Third question. What glimpses of Nazi cruelty did the Frank family experience? Explain. Answer. The Jews were transported in cattle trucks filled way beyond capacity. On arrival, the adults were usually taken directly to the gas chambers. Annie was 15 and escaped the gas chamber along with her mother and sister. But starvation, disease, and typhus killed them in the Holocaust camps. Human dignity was stripped in these camps, and every day was a struggle physically and emotionally. The Nazis had no compassion for women and children, too. Women and children were kept in very pathetic conditions without proper food or attire. Thus, the Nazis treated the Jews with utmost cruelty and barbarism. Okay. Moving to next question. How did Anne's diary open the eyes of Germans to the viciousness of racial persecution? Answer. After the war, it was estimated of 107,000 Jews deported from the Netherlands between 1942 and 1944. Only 5,000 survived. An estimated 30,000 Jews remained in the Netherlands, with many people aided by the Dutch underground. Approximately two-thirds of this group survived the war, and his diary gave them an insight into a world of destruction from the viewpoint of a young person trapped in a vicious world, a world of hatred that should have worn out her spirit. But in fact, it did the opposite of Annie, and she held on to her hope in mankind more strongly than ever. The diary of Anne Frank succeeded in making Germans open their eyes to the viciousness of racial persecution. The next question. What did Anne Frank record in her diary? How did she compare herself to a strong bird? Answer. Anne Frank recorded her life in the annex with all its inevitable tensions and quarrels in a diary which her parents had given her on her 13th birthday. She created a wonderful and delicate record of adolescence with complete honesty of a young girl's thoughts and feelings. And he felt like a songbird whose wings had been brutally torn out and who was flying in utter darkness against the bars of its own cages. She wrote when she had been isolated from the outside world for nearly 16 months. Okay, so these were some of the important question answers from this chapter, and most probably 3 and 4 mark questions are repeated in the question papers. So I suggest you to see the video very carefully and prepare it, and do share with your friends so that even they can take the benefits from this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe, and keep watching my videos. We'll be back soon with more such important videos. Till then, take care and stay safe. Thank you.